Florida adding nearly 9,000 new cases today. More than 3,000 of those cases reported here in South Florida.
But it was another record-breaking day. 120 deaths, the largest one-day increase reported. Among them, an 11-year-old girl from Broward County with underlying health issues. The state's death toll now surpassing 4,000. Hello and good evening. I'm Trina Robinson.
And I'm Jackie Nesbro. Thanks for joining us. In Miami-Dade's ICUs, they're now more than 90% full. From the rise in cases and hospitalizations to contact tracing and the new rules that go into effect today in Miami-Dade County, we're covering all angles of this pandemic. We begin with NBC6's Amanda Plasencia live in Pembroke Pines. Amanda?
Yes, Jackie, and several hospitals here in South Florida are starting to fill up fast as they feel that impact of more COVID-19 cases. Hospitals aren't the only ones feeling overwhelmed during this pandemic.
It's already a bad situation as it is that you cannot be with your family members.
Isa Cabrera says her 86-year-old grandmother Maria has been in the hospital with COVID-19 for over a week. Due to safety precautions, she can't visit her, and she says it's been difficult to advocate for her grandmother's health.
We're not able to get a hold of her. The longest we went without any information was 48 hours.
She's one of many patients filling South Florida hospitals. The Agency for Healthcare Administration shows there are currently 0 ICU beds available at these major hospitals in Broward and Miami-Dade. Across Broward, the number of available ICU beds is almost 11%, and in Dade, it's almost 16%. This is based on the last time we checked just before noon on Thursday, and this report does not specify if the ICU beds are occupied by COVID patients.
This second surge is considerably higher and steeper than the first surge.
In a recorded message this week, Dr. Marks says Memorial Healthcare System is extending capacity by creating tents outside their hospital emergency rooms. They've also converted spaces at their facilities to help meet the demand and stopped elective and non-urgent procedures to redeploy staff. Broward Health giving us this statement regarding bed space. We currently have ICU and non-critical capacity for both COVID-19 positive and non-COVID related patients. Approximately 17% of our COVID related hospitalizations are currently requiring ICU care. Our caregivers continue to closely monitor patient needs, and we have surge plans in place should we need to activate additional bed capacity. And all of these hospitals tell us that right now they are not refusing any treatment for people who need them. They will make sure that all those patients get treatment. Also, they are urging people to continue to help them by wearing a mask and practicing social distancing. Live in Pembroke Pines, Amanda Plasencia, NBC6 News.